Are you ready to experience enjoyable floor care? The Mopit will transform one of your most dreaded tasks into an effective and enjoyable one. Soda spills, heavily soiled areas, even shake spills are no match for the Mopit. They will be cleaned up quickly and effectively, and your floor will be left dry. Unlike a mop, the Mopit applies a continuous supply of clean, soapy water, scrubs the floor, and then vacuums up the dirt and germs into a separate tank. Watch the Mopit in action while we give 3 reasons why you would benefit from choosing the Mopit. First, the Mopit 5 takes floor scrubber reliability to the next level, and if you do have a problem, the Mopit was specifically designed to be easy to work on. We have a massive library of YouTube videos that show you how to fix every possible issue. Second, our customer service team is second to none. Our customers love calling in and being able to speak with a live agent right away. Third, our direct-to-customer business model cuts out the middleman and keeps costs low. We used all of our 40 years' experience in the floor care industry to create the Mopit. We believe it is the most cost-effective, reliable, and easy-to-use floor scrubber on the market. Simply put, the Mopit is built to last. Its durability and inexpensive part replacement make the Mopit's cost of ownership the lowest in the industry. The Mopit is available for purchase or lease. Our month-to-month lease program includes soap, squeegee blades, and parts. The leasee just pays for the shipping and handling on those items. Please visit our website or call us at 1-800-290-2833 for more information.